Hello, dear students. Hope you have checked out our latest video, that is pests of maize, and we have covered a fall armyworm into that video. So now it's time for a task. We have completed pest infesting rice. So similar to your previous semester course, here also you have to write an IPM report on rice crop by considering all the pests infesting rice. Rice is get infected by yellow stem borer, rice gall midge, rice leaf folder, rice caseworm. All these are foliage and stem feeders, whereas a sucking pest complex including brown plant hoppers, green leaf hoppers and white backed plant hoppers. These are some major pests infesting rice crop. So you have to consider all the cultural, mechanical, biological and chemical practices while writing an IPM report. So list it out and make an IPM report and send me a copy on our WhatsApp group, or maybe you can send it to me personally. The another important task, that weekly observation sheet. By the end of this video, I'll show you that observation sheet where you have to count the population from your field. So this task, weekly observation sheet, as we have performed here in our KVK field, similarly you have to perform the same kind of observations at your own field. So this is our task number 2, and hope you will complete that both the tasks within time. In addition to that, you can also write an IPM report of our latest pest, that is fall armyworm. Now we are going to move towards the new crop, that is pests of sorghum. I have already shared the notes of pests of sorghum. Let's take a look of all the pests infesting sorghum and millets in brief. This is sorghum shoot fly. Its scientific name is Atherigona socata. Its family is Mucidae, order Diptera. This family is also named as Anthomidae. It is mentioned in our manual, the family of sorghum shoot fly is Anthomidae, whereas in some references it is given as Mucidae. It belongs to order Diptera. Here you can see a greyish colored fly having transparent wing, a single pair of hind wing and a halter you can see to balance the wings. It starts its life cycle by laying the eggs on underside of leaf, that the maggot wriggles down to the growing point inside the stem and feeds there. So it results in formation of dead hearts in seedling stage. It only occurs till 1 to 1.5 months of after sowing. This is a maggot feeding on the stem. It can cause dead hearts and plant becomes stunted. Here you can see the infected plants remain stunted in the presence of some healthier plant. This is a comparison between susceptible and resistant varieties, and you can observe such dead hearts formed on the plant. So it's a life cycle and nature of damage of this pest. Now we'll move to another pest, that is sorghum stem borer. Its scientific name is Chilopartilis. It belongs to family Pyralidae, order Lepidoptera. Similar to the previous Pyralid pest, that is yellow stem borer, it also lay their eggs in the cluster and it get migrated towards the leaf surface. After hatching from egg, the caterpillar or larva moves towards the leaf and initially it feeds on some parts of leaf by making a series of holes which are perpendicular to the leaf lamina. Here in the image you can see it makes such holes. It also occurs on maize or bajra or some other cereal grasses or cereal weeds. After completing its first or second instar, it moves towards the stem and it makes such larger holes to get penetrated inside the stem. It feeds gregariously inside the stem and fill the galleries of stem with their fecal material. A single stem can be infected by more than one larvae. So, after completing its larval stage, this this caterpillar remain inside the stem and pupates inside the stem. Here we can see it is pupated inside the stem, and before to reach to the pupal stage in the final instar of larval stage, it makes an exit hole to emerge out the adult moth. So after completing its pupal stage, that as adults are get emerged out from an exit hole from the stem, and again it mate and starts laying the eggs. So this is a life cycle and nature of damage of sorghum stem borer. Sorghum stem borer causes dead herds, and with the help of such markings or such series of hole, we can diagnose the attack. It resembles with attack of fall armyworm. Fall armyworm also cause the same kind of symptoms on the leaf blade. This is about the life cycle, and here you can see the dead herds and fade part of bored stem.